Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to install Rust on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS and create a simple Hello World project and run by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started by browsing this URL rust-lang.org and then click on get started. From here copy this command to install Rust on your system. First open new terminal and check that you already have installed curl on your system. I already have installed it on my machine. If you don't have installed it on your system, you must install curl before applying this command. Okay. If you want to proceed the installation, press 1. It may take a while for downloading component like cargo, rust docs, clipfile, rust std and like others. Okay, and also rust compiler, rust c. Okay, rust is installed now. Close this terminal and reopen and then apply this command and also verify rust c. That's it. Now I am going to create a hello world project using rust. At first create a project directory. I am going to create the project directory on my desktop and then navigate to this directory by cd and also create a directory, name it hello world. Okay, now navigate to hello world by cd. Okay, now write and run a rust program. Okay, create a file, name it main.rs. Copy this code and paste here on your text editor. I am using nano text editor. Now save this file, press Ctrl X and then press Shift Y, hit enter. Okay, you can open this file with any text editor. Okay, now I am going to run this program using this command from terminal rust c and then the file name main.rs, hit enter. This command will generate an executable file. That's it. It is an executable file. Okay, now run this executable file and see the output. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.